Good morning everybody. Today your maths investigation is all about frogs. There are some frogs. Some are on the left side of a lake, some are on the right side of a lake, and they're all on lily pads. Two families of frogs, purple and blue. Each family contains 3 frogs. The purple frogs live on the left of the pond, the blue frogs live on the right. The purple frogs want to get to the right side of the pond as they think the blue frogs get the juiciest flies. The blue frogs, on the other hand, think the purple frogs get fatter flies and want to get to the left of the pond. There are 7 lily pads which the frogs must use to cross the pond. Frogs can only jump to empty lily pads. Frogs can only jump over one other frog at a time. And the other thing is frogs don't know how to jump backwards. You must work out the minimum number of jumps the frogs can all use to cross the pond. When you've worked that out, for the number of frogs with 3 on each side and 1 lily pad in the middle, you're then going to try and work it out for 4 frogs on each side with 1 lily pad in the middle. So that's a total of 9 lily pads, 4 frogs in each family. And then you're going to add to 5 frogs in each family with 11 lily pads and 6 frogs in each family with 13 lily pads. When you've worked this out, for every number of frogs in the family, you should have a minimum number of jumps, which I'd like you to put in a table for me. This one's on your sheet. When you've filled in the minimum number of jumps for each number of frogs, you should see a pattern between the number of frogs and the number of jumps. You're to use your pattern to work out how many jumps would be needed for 8 frogs in each family on 17 lily pads. And then try and write me a general statement which explains how to work out the number of jumps if you know the number of frogs. Anybody who gets all this will then be able to use this statement to work out the number of jumps for a family of 11 frogs, a family of 15 frogs, a family of 50 frogs, and 200 frogs altogether. Good luck.